Check one, check two. Check one, check two. Check one, check two. All right, guys, we're about to get started in 1 minute. 1 minute. Actually, we're just going to give it a couple more minutes. Couple more minutes. Couple more minutes. About another minute, guys. About another minute. We'll get started in 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, hey there, guys. Martin Cooper here. Thank you so much for tuning in to day 14 of our 90-day camp. I am going to show you how to master the internet marketing game. Guys, look, I am beyond excited as always because, again, I live by the motto, help people to achieve their goals and you will achieve yours. All right. And that's what I live by, guys. Okay. So it's an absolute pleasure to bring you this valuable information that's going to help you to set up your blogs. And this is day 14 of day 90. Okay. So we're going to bring a lot of volume, a lot of volume and a lot of value, okay, to your marketing campaign. All right. So we're going to jump right into this. I'm going to use my website as an example. Okay. My sevenfiguremindset.com website. All right. So I'm not going to do a lot of typing. I'm going to be doing a lot of cutting and pasting. So we're just going to emulate what you would be doing as a person. Okay. I mean, what you would be doing, basically, you would be typing, but I'm just going to cut and paste from my site. Okay. So we can cover as much as possible. All right. So let's jump right into this, guys. I'm going to share my screen right here, and thing be nice to me tonight. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to share my screen real quick. And we're going to share the entire screen. All right, guys. So what I wanted to do is to have you look at my website real quick, okay? Because this is going to basically dictate, how I am going to show you how to develop a blog. You're going to leverage the Lead System Network blogging platform, the viral blogging platform that they have, and you're going to basically make your blog look like my website. Okay, it's very, there's no big difference between what I'm doing versus what they're doing on the Lead System Network. Is that you have your own space and you're going to be blogging on your site/blog. Okay. The thing that's great about the Lead System Network is that it is an authoritative site. And that's very, very important because Google likes authoritative sites. Google likes for, to trust websites. So you have to build that confidence, okay, from Google. So my website's been up, the Seven Figure Mindset website has been up about 3.5 months now. Okay, it normally takes 90 days for Google to even acknowledge your site, for it to rank content on your site. Okay, so I've worked very, very hard in doing that. Okay, but the thing that's beautiful about the Lead System Network, guys, it is already an authority site. Okay, so you just basically take the same approach that I've taken, okay, with my website. Okay, so guys, so let's jump right into this. So what you see here, okay, what we're going to do this evening is that we're going to show you how to set up your menus, okay, and also set up what they call categories. Okay, we're going to set up categories so you can categorize your information, all right, and do that in a nice visual way, okay, and then I'm going to show you how to set up your menus too, okay, and then I'm going to show you how to incorporate your widgets, okay, which is normally on the right hand side. It's either on the right hand side or it's on the left hand side of your page, or it can actually be both. Okay, so so this is my website. So when people hit my website, okay, they're introduced with this menu. And then if I was to go to the affiliate marketing, okay, selection within my website, notice how it puts the widgets up here. Okay, so this is just the basic layout of my website, and it will actually list all of the different articles that I categorize under affiliate marketing. So this is how you group your content. And then you can add a whole bunch of other things here on the right hand side. This is the widget section right here, guys. And I have a contact form. I have the recent posts, photo albums, recent comments, archives. You can literally put anything that you want to over here. Okay. And also my social media um, um, place right here over here too. Okay, so you can pretty much lay this out how you want. Okay, so let's go back to the Lead System Network blog. Okay, and let's go and look at what we have right now. So what we covered yesterday was the development of our about page. Okay, which is what you saw on my website not too long ago. Okay, I basically copied and pasted some text from here. So this is my about page. This is my home page. Okay. Now this is different because I use a different template, so they're going to look different. So the out of the box template that the Lead System Network had used was 2000. Let me see real quick. Hold on a second. Let's go back. And let's go back here. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's go to themes. I'm sorry. My theme is different. So the only negative thing is that you are going to have to use one of these two themes here, okay, which is the 2013 one, or you have this other guy, which is the Blogama one, however you pronounce it, okay? So those are the themes that you're going to have to stick with, okay? So anyway, so let's get back into what I did yesterday just real quick, okay? So let's go to Martin's blog real quick, okay? So I had created an about page, and today we're going to create a couple of blogs, okay, and just customize this to where we're going to try to make it look as closely to my website as possible. Okay, so how do we do that? All right, so let's jump right into this, guys. Okay, so sorry to be so long-winded here. So right now we have one page, okay, which is our about page, and we have one post. Okay, so this is the post that we created yesterday, okay, which is a post about the Lead System Network. We did one on the Lead System Network review. Okay, and the thing that you notice right here, guys, is that this, you can control how all this looks visually. Okay, so we're going to get into how you change all this stuff. So let's go and let's start creating some content here. So when we create these menus, is that things have to exist already. So if you're going to start posting your articles, okay, then they need to exist. So then when you create the menu for that particular item, it's you're basically going to tell the Lead System Network blog to affiliate that particular menu item to that particular post or page that's on your website. Okay, so let's do that real quick. So we already have home. So let's go to create some content, and I'm sorry to be going back and forth. So I'm just trying to think, where do I want to start from here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my menu. So we already have one blog created. So what I'm going to do is go to appearance, and you're going to go to menus. Okay, so right now, the only menu that we have right now is the about Jamal Cox, and I'm going to get rid of this home one too. These are generic ones that come out of the out the box here. So let's do the save menu. Okay, and let's just look at Martin's blog real quick. Okay, so this is in essence our about, and this is our home page right here. Okay, so let's go and let's create some content real quick. All right, so okay, so we already have the one post, which is for the Lead System Network. And what we want to do is that you want to go over here and you want to add to the menu. Okay, so in fact, let's go ahead and create some categories first. I apologize for that, guys. Let's add some categories first. Media, posts. Let's add some categories. Okay. All right. So we want to get rid of this uncategorized category. So let's go ahead and let's do this. So we're going to create, let me see, affiliate marketing. Okay. Or let me see, let's create a category called internet marketing. That's what we're going to do. So let's do internet marketing. Okay. And for your slug, you're just going to say internet marketing. And you can also create categories on the go as you create articles, as you create blogs. You can actually go within the blog on the right hand side, on the bottom side, you can actually create categories as you go. So this will automatically get created for you. Okay, so let's just add this category, and our menu, let me see, our parent is none. So we're going to make this be on the top. Okay, so we have internet marketing here. All right, so let's go and let's create some other stuff real quick. Let's create SEO. Okay, let's create an SEO category. Okay. And I'm not going to put a description in, just going to hit the add new category. Okay, so now we have two categories. I'm just going to do one more. Okay, and let's do video marketing. Okay, so let's do video marketing real quick. Let's do video. And then I'm going to show you how to create categories on the fly as you create new blogs. Okay, so we're going to do that too, right? So now these are my top level. These are my top level categories right here. You can also put categories under subcategories. Okay, so we're not going to do that today. And let me see. So what we're going to do, let's see what's currently under the uncategorized. So we have two. Okay, one is the Hello World post. It comes right out of the box. So we're going to go ahead and trash the Hello World post here, and we're just going to keep the Lead System Network review one. So what you want to do is that you want to put this in another category. So this is what I was talking about. So if you need to add a category, hypothetically, you would have put the plus sign here, and you would have typed that, and give it a parent category if necessary, but we're not going to do that. You would have typed internet marketing here, and then it would have created a new category. Okay, that's simple. All right, so let's go ahead and update that, and let's put it in internet marketing, and we're going to uncheck uncategorize, okay, because you want to categorize your information. So let's hit the update there, okay, and when we go back to categories here, okay, you notice that there's going to be one post that's under internet marketing. Sorry about that, guys. That's my handy dandy phone there. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. So let's go ahead, and we're going to create some menus real quick. So let's go to appearance, and let's go to menus. Okay, so right now we have the out of the box menu called menu 1. So let's just go ahead and rename this, right? Let's go ahead and let's name this Lead System Network. You can basically name it anything. Okay, you're just going to save the menu here, and you're going to come here, and you want to add to the menu. So what we're going to do is that, let me see, you can actually go, and you can, there's multiple things you can do here, guys. You can actually go and add a category. You can also add a link, okay? And you can also add pages, okay? So we're going to add a category real quick. So we're going to add internet marketing, and we're going to add that to the menu, okay? Save the menu. Okay, let's look at our blog real quick. Martin's blog, and it should have put the okay, sorry about that. Let's see, save the menu, and let me see, theme, locations, navigation menu, automatically add to the top, and let me do the save menu right here. Okay, and I may have to go to customize real quick, and let's look at navigation. Okay, yep, it's the Lead System Network menu. So there it is, internet marketing. Okay, it showed up. I was a little concerned there. So let's go back here, and now you have internet marketing. So now if you hit the internet marketing menu, okay, it will automatically go to all the blogs that are under the internet marketing category. So see, now you have an about, Jermaine Cox, and then you have internet marketing. So as we create more blogs, if we put those blogs in internet marketing, it's going to show up under this menu. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add some more real quick. All right, so let's go to my website. Okay, and let's take this Work with Martin. Okay, so let's go back to the Lead System Network, and I'm going to let me see, Martin's blog. Okay, so let's go back here, and let's go to menus again. Okay, and now we want to add a link, and I want this link to go here, right, which is going to be one of my capture pages, and I want it to say Work with Martin. And I'm just going to add to the menu. Okay, now it's third in the menu. Hit save menu. Okay, let's go. And now guess what? Martin with Martin. Work with Martin. I'm sorry. So let me go ahead and edit this. Hopefully I can edit this. Okay, and yes, you can. Let me see. Work with Martin. Okay, and you're going to hit the save menu. Okay, there. And let's look at Martin's blog real quick. And now, guess what? I have another menu. Okay, so we're moving right along here. Okay, so let's go back to my website and team bonus marketing that works. Okay, so what do I have under here? Okay, I have another video. Okay, so we're going to do this real quick. And let me see, team bonus marketing that works. Okay, so we're just going to go back here and we're going to add to our menus. So let's go here, go to menus. Okay, and we're going to share another link real quick. Okay, and that's the URL. And let me get the text real quick, guys. I don't know by heart. I'm just going to team bonus marketing that works. Okay, team bonus marketing that works. Team bonus marketing that works. All right. And let's add to the menu. Okay, save menu, go back, Martin's blog, visit website. Voila. Now we have our fourth menu. Okay, so let's go and add another menu here. So what I'm going to do, guys, is that I'm actually going to take this code literally, and I'm going to emulate me actually going through to create this page, but I'm going to cheat here a little bit. Okay. All right. And I'm going to steal some of this code from my website, so I won't have to type all this stuff in. And I'm going to go and literally copy all the HTML. All the HTML. Okay. So imagine me having to do all this typing. I'm not going to do that. Not going to do that at all. Okay. So I'm going to create a page here. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. And let's go here and do that. And let's create a page. So I want to add a new page. Okay. Wow. All right. Let's go to text. Hit a Control V. Okay. And then I am going to take the title and go mindset. Okay. So that's going to be the title of my page. Okay, so I'm going to do a save here. All right. And let me look at my page from my website. So I don't have any, actually, you know, I don't have any CEO, any SEO set up for my pages. Normally, you want to optimize posts. You want to put SEO in your posts versus your pages. Now you can go all out, you know, and do that. Okay, but I chose not to do that. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's do a little preview right here. And mindset, it's going to reference images from my website. You know, I'm just trying to cut down some time here. Okay, so so we have a page here. Okay, so let's go and edit this page. Let's see, let's go back here. I'm sorry, guys. And let's, so I'm happy with that. So let's publish this, okay? So now I have a real page. So let's go back to the website. Okay. And guess what? Now I have another menu selection. This is my about page. It's all coming together. Hit what? Mindset. And guess what? It's going to my mindset page. See? So as you add a page, okay, as you add a page, I can't reemphasize that, it will automatically add it to your menu selection. Okay. So you have to be real careful with that. If you don't want that to happen, then you can go in to the actual menu and take it out. And I can show you how to do that. Okay. So let's go to menus right now. Okay. Let's go to menus. And if we wanted to remove mindset, then you would just go here, expand that, and hit the remove button. and that's all you have to do. Okay, I had a couple calls real quick, and just wanted to make sure that people were tracking. Let's see. Okay, here we go. All right. So let's hit the save menu button, and hold on, guys. I'm getting ready to send this link out to a couple of people real quick. So just bear with me for a second, okay? Just bear with me for a second. Bear with me for a second. Okay. Let me see. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. YouTube channel. Doing the demo. Live now. Thanks. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's see what else we're going to add. Okay, so this is so easy. It's not that hard, folks. Not that hard at all. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I think that's all the menu set I want to add. Okay, so let's work on some widgets. Okay, we're going to add some widgets. All right, I'm going to add some widgets. So let's go here, and I'm going to go to my widgets here, and let's get some code here. I'm going to cheat. Like I said, I don't want to make this long. Okay, and like I said, the widgets show up on the bottom, and you can also have them on the, let's go back to this blog real quick. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. I'm all over the place. So let's just go to my site. So right now, the widgets are on the bottom of this page, okay? But so it's on the bottom of this page. Okay. So now what I want to do is to try to get the widgets and put them on the right-hand side like I have them on my other site. And then you can also put the widgets on the left-hand side also. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. But right now, guys, they are on the bottom of the page, And let's just look at that real quick. Okay, let's look at the widgets section. Let's just go back to my site, go down to appearance, and go to the widgets section. So just make sure that you stay focused with me real quick. Okay, and right now on the bottom of the page, okay, I'm going to expand this. This says is that the main widget area by default, based on this particular theme, is on the footer section of the site. Okay, so notice it has search, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and metadata. Okay, so let's just go to the site real quick, and you will see those things on the bottom of the page. So let's just look at that real quick. Okay, and this is where it appears right here on the bottom. Okay, it's not nice, it's not neat. All right, so we're just going to move some of the stuff right now. So let's go back and let's go to appearance and go to widgets. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that we're just basically going to not leverage this. You can actually remove this stuff, and it's very easy to do, guys. You can just slide this over to the left, and it actually gets rid of the widgets for you. So no worries. We're going to move the widgets back in. These are the out of the box widgets that come with your template for the Lead System Network. So let's expand this secondary widget area. Okay, appears on posts and pages in the sidebar. Okay, but it doesn't tell you if it's on the left or right. So what we're going to do is that it is always good to have a search bar, okay, in your website, okay, because people want to be able to search. So let's just add that real quick, okay. Let's hit the save button. All right, so let's just visit the site real quick, okay. So look, We got a search bar. We got a search bar on the button. Got a search bar on the right hand side. Okay, so we're looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, let's go back to my website real quick. Okay, and I have a search bar. You know, it's mine first, and let's go ahead and steal some text real quick. Now I'm going to show you how to do this, guys. This is HTML that I'm using. Okay, there's so many different widgets out there that you can use. It's absolutely crazy. Okay, but just go back to the Lead System Network right now and just let's look at some of the out of the box widgets. Okay, that that they have. Okay, and I'm not sure if you can actually add any widgets at all. I don't think you can. Okay, so you're basically going to be limited to what they present to you, because again, this is their blogging platform. Okay, if you own the website or if you own the blog, then you have the luxury of just uploading as many types of widgets that you want. But you can get around that, okay, by using the text HTML widget, okay, because then you can put custom code in here. And then guys, don't worry about it. Don't get overly concerned. Okay, there's nothing for you to get bent out of shape over. Hold on, let me expand this. I'm sorry, let me expand this. I have search. I am going to provide you example code. So let's go ahead and put our text widget in here, okay? And I'm going to copy the code from my other website, and I'm just going to hit a save button, okay? So let's go ahead and let's see what that did. Okay, don't, like I said, please, 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 please don't get hung up over this HTML code, guys. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. I'm going to give you examples on how you can get that done. All right, so let's go ahead and hit the visit Martin's blog, and guess what? I have what I need over here on the right hand side, and this is, like I said, this is custom HTML that I'm going to show you guys how to do that. We're going to talk about that in another video, but I will have sample code where you will be able to leverage that stuff, guys. Doesn't it look great? It looks real nice, right? I'm not saying that because it's my website, but simple. You see how easy and fast that was. And then if I give you sample code, guess what? You know, you should be able to run with this with no problem. Okay, it's going to take a little time. Okay, but it is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and let's add some more stuff real quick. Okay, what else do I have on here? I have recent comments and archives too. So let's go back to the out of the box functionality here, guys, and let's go back and go to my sites, and let's go to sorry about that appearance. Let's go to widgets again, and let's expand this so we can drop our widgets over there. And let's go to recent post, right? Recent post. Come on, stop getting in my way. Okay, and let's go and let's hit that save button there to confirm that. Okay, and let's go to recent comments. Okay. Go to recent comments. Just hit the save button. And you can also customize how many posts you want to show up over here. So you can adjust it to any amount of posts that you want. And let me show you how that looks, okay? Let me show you how that looks on a live website. So on the right-hand side, okay, I have my widgets, okay? And I have it set to where I show five posts and also 5 comments. All right, so five is good. 5 is good. Okay, so let's do that. It's save here. Okay, let's hit visit site, and now we have the one post that I had created, which was the Lead System Network Okay, review. Okay, and then if somebody was to put any comments in there, then those would be here, and it would show what post or what page that person submitted that comment to. All right, so let's see, what else can we do here? Throw some goodies in here, guys. Let me see, what is this? Are these comments right here? I'm sorry. Okay, so let's throw some other stuff in here. So we got our widgets, we have our menus, and let's go ahead and create a few posts real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to create some sub menus real quick. Okay, so let's take let's take an article. Okay, so just going to do an article, and let me choose one of these guys here, which is internet marketing. Okay, so I'm just going to go and steal some text real quick. Okay, and just show you how easy this is. Okay, so let's just go ahead, and I'm just going to choose this article. Okay, and let me just act like I'm editing this real quick. Okay, and don't pay any attention to this. I'm just going to copy and paste this into the other article, and that's it. So we can simulate me creating a blog. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to take the text, copy and paste this puppy in. Okay, so now I want to go back, and let's go ahead and create another post. Okay, all new post, and I'm just going to copy the text in here because I don't feel like typing it. And let's see, so visually it's basically going to do this. It's going to be the same exact stuff as I had, okay, over here. And I'm just going to create a give it a title, and the keyword that I have for this particular blog was, let's see, it is how to generate leads. That is my keyword. So let me see. So we're just going to put our keyword in here, how to generate leads, made simple. All right, so there we are. And what I'm going to do, guys, before Google comes and crawls this information, I don't want it to view my my blog as a duplicate. Okay, and then of course you're going to come and update this link and make sure that you have your keywords in here. I'm not going to optimize this one. Okay, make sure that you look at the previous video. Okay, but you're just basically, every time that you create a post, you're going to come through and you're going to, you know, put your keyword information in, and you're just going to go through the checks and balances that I put in the previous video. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how this works. All right, so let's just go ahead and save a draft. And I just want to know, is it going to actually acknowledge this? Okay, let me see. Oh, we need to put it in another category too. So let's just edit this real quick, and I want to put it in the correct category, which is going to be internet marketing. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do a save draft. Okay, and let's do a preview of the post, and let's do internet marketing real quick. So it's actually going to show up. Okay, so where's the other blog at? That's kind of interesting. Okay, because this should be a category archives. I may have to change this out. Okay, may have to change this out. So let's just go back to the blog real quick. Sorry. Let's just go back to the blog real quick. So we have it changed to internet marketing, and then of course, guys, you're basically going to follow the same exact thing that I did in the previous video. Okay, so let's just go ahead and I'm gonna just go ahead and publish this real quick just for demonstration purposes. Then I'm going to delete these things because I don't want Google to penalize me. Okay, so I'm going to publish this, and let's just go ahead to Martin's blog real quick. Okay, and let me see, go to internet marketing, and it actually lists the most recent one. Okay, I see what it's doing. So actually it put the most recent article on top, and then it puts the um the the other article under that. Okay, I don't quite like this, so let me see how we can suppress this to where it does this. I can explain to you real quick. So this is a type of behavior that I wanted to have or do. Okay, so let's just go to articles real quick, and let's go to internet marketing, and notice the difference between the template that I'm using versus the other one is that it actually gives you a little snippet of what the article's about. Okay, you see your category right here, internet marketing, right? And then it actually just gives you the title, gives you the featured image, and also gives you a brief description based off of what you put in what they call the meta description. Okay, it puts what you put right here is going to appear right here. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. And let's see if we can tighten this up a little bit. Okay, let's see if there's anything that we can do to make this look more attractive, because it's just going to basically put a blog on the blog, and I don't quite like that. But hey, it's not bad. It's not bad. But let's see. Themes, menus, widgets, tools, available tools, no comments, all pages. Let me see, all posts. And let me see if there's anything we can do to customize this. Okay. Let me see, show buttons. Let me see. Okay. View posts. I don't know, guys. Okay, so we may just have to live with that. Okay, to where it's just going to show the articles under one another. Okay. But that's basically it in a nutshell. It's not overly complicated, guys. I'm not going to make it too complicated, but basically what we covered today was, okay, the creation of your menus, okay, the creation of your widgets that's going to be on the right hand side, as you see, okay. And you see that I have the two articles here. So when someone actually comes in and comment on your articles, you will see those here. Okay, and you can add as many widgets as you want. Okay, you are going to be a little limited as far as the widgets are concerned. Okay, because of the template that the Lead System Network is using. Okay, you're going to be limited to these widgets here. Hold on, that's okay. So let's just like say if you wanted to come back and add a calendar. Okay, you can actually come here and drag it, okay, and hit the save button, and then you just go to visit site, and there's a menu. I mean, there's a calendar there. It's pretty much that simple. All right, so hopefully, guys, that has been helpful to you. Okay, you can make your Lead System Network blog to be your website. Okay, you have the tools in front of you, and that's it, and that's all. Okay, I am going to create another video where you're going to actually do what they call forward masking. You're going to go and buy yourself a website or a domain from websites like GoDaddy. Okay, like say if I wanted to make my domain workwithmartincooper.com, I would buy that domain and then go into the host provider or the reseller, the domain reseller that you purchase it from. I'm going to show you this in a video, and you're going to have that domain forwarded to this URL, okay, which is going to be your front page, okay, and then you're going to do it with masking. So when you type in workwithmartincooper.com, it's actually going to be talking to this particular site, and up in the URL, it's going to say workwithmartincooper.com, okay, and then it's going to suppress the Lead System Network URL, so people won't actually see this. Matter of fact, you almost have to do that because social media platforms like Facebook will not accept anything that has leadsystemnetwork.com, anything period. It will not post it for you. Okay, so you have to go out and purchase yourself a domain. And there's another video, I'm going to shoot it again, on how you purchase your domain, and you're going to mask it and have it pointing to your Lead System Network blog. So guys, hopefully this has been helpful to you. Okay, this is day 14. Starting for day 15, we're going to start getting into the nitty gritty. Okay, talking about different tools and stealth methods and things of that nature, guys. But let me tell you something. This information is worth a lot. Okay, and it's my pleasure to give you this, but you're going to have to make a decision as a business person. You're going to have to take action. Okay, so videos 15 through 90, okay, are going to be for people that are trying to conduct business. Okay, to conduct business, make sure that you get with the person that invited you, okay, and join their team. Okay, I'm going to give you a bunch of free tools, bunch of free training, but you have to make that step and get in the business. Okay, visit my website at sevenfiguremindset.com. Okay, if you were referenced by me, okay, sevenfiguremindset.com. Make sure that you look at my widgets on the right hand side, which are basically the businesses that I belong to. But if you were invited by someone else, visit that person, because guess what, guys, we are all one team, and you will have that person as a resource, and you will have me as a resource. Okay, so anyway, guys, it's been great. Okay, hopefully this has been helpful to you. Let me stop sharing my screen real quick. Okay, stop sharing my screen. Okay. All right, so I was doing all that talking and wasn't showing my face. But anyway, guys, hopefully this information has been helpful, guys. It is an absolute pleasure, pleasure, guys. Let me see if I can get Mr. Jemay in here. Let's see if I can get him on. I'll try to click him in real quick. It's not going to let me do it. All right, guys. Well, we're going to wrap up tonight. All right. Be blessed, guys. It's been a pleasure. 8:15. We're going to start. Oh, there he is. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Nothing much, man. Nothing much, man. Just, just kicking it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it good tonight?
Yeah.
It's on point. Okay, cool.
Yep.
Hey, in the previous video, I could actually hear your voice.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Cool.
So, man, it's an absolute pleasure, man. Anything else you want to say, or anything you want to kick to the people on the video?
Just encourage everybody to get in the LSN as soon as possible, because we taking off here.
Absolutely. You know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, guys, we getting calls all over the place. We're from Russia, from Mexico, from Australia. I got a call from Canada today. This is my partner that you see on this video. You know what I mean? He's going to be a cold monster, cold beast, great guy. All right. So look him up. His name is Jamaa Cox, JAMAACOX, baby. Make sure that you get with that guy, because we are a team, man. So we're going to accomplish great things and make a whole bunch of money together. And, we're just bringing value added. Day 15 through day 90, guys, we're going to get into some stuff that's going to really, just take this thing worldwide. So get with us. You want to say good night to him, bro?
All right. Good night, everybody. Get in the LSN as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
All right.
We signing out. See you on the next video. Good night. Peace.